One of the things that happens with artists, and we develop it over years, but it's the ability to see. Seeing is so critical at what we do, that we see not only the volume, where the whitest point is, the shadow that it casts, the glow that comes off of it, all those things, its proportion, its balance, all those things are things that we develop an eye for and grow in seeing. Celebrate things and change things that could make them better. You know, creativity is just the process of having freedom in decision making. It's probably, I don't know, 13 or 14 inches tall. And so now I'm going to start to compress the wall and stretch and change the shape. This for me is when a pot starts to come alive. When line gets so important. If you look at the line of a form, you'll see not only its volume, but you'll always see a little silhouette of its line. And I'm very focused on that. If I see the slightest little flat edge and it's not intentional, I go and get it. When I'm in the process of making pots, it's a personal space. The creative space is so mine. I get into a flow. Everything begins to move so freely, and I lose all sense of time. I become absolutely captivated in what I'm doing. There's an intuitiveness that operates, that I'm addicted to that space. I love it. But I always intellectually know this is for somebody else. So there's like this integration of allowing myself creative freedom, but at the same time knowing that it is ultimately somebody else that's going to enjoy the creation, that's going to enjoy the pot. Every single pot has a connection to other people. Everything that you make keeps us connected. And I probably wouldn't do it if there wasn't that kind of connection going on.